18. Sid is in a queue of people waiting for a kiosk to open. There are 34 people in the queue and twice as many people ahead of Sid as behind. What place number is Sid in the queue? Let's consider Sid standing in the queue like this. And then let's consider the front of the queue, which would be here. We know that there are twice as many people in front of Sid as there are behind him, and there are a total of 34 people in the queue. So if we don't count Sid, that means that this plus this plus this makes 33 other people. If there are twice as many people in front of Sid, it must mean that this section of the queue is 11 people long, and this section is also 11 people long. The queue behind Sid is another 11 people long. You can see how 11 plus 11 plus 11 makes 33, and Sid makes 34. We're asked what place number Sid is in the queue. We know that to this point is 22, so Sid's position here is therefore position number 23, or 23rd in the queue.